Welcome to BravoClipping. We are here to provide you with our Packshot still photo editing services, and help you make exceptional products presentations and listings. Either you are a professional photographer who needs to deliver on time your customers' photos, or you need to make your product photos look attractive in your eShop, we can help you be reliable to your customers and effective in your online business. We provide fast turnaround times, and we can handle several thousands of photos per day. That's why, as a professional photographer, you can rely upon us to make sure you deliver your customers' Packshot photos on time, every time. We are experts on the most sophisticated photo editing tools, and we can help you get your product photos stand out from the crowd, and increase the visits and sales in your eShop. Not only we provide top quality and fast delivery Packshot photo editing services, but we guarantee the results of every photo we edit, so to make sure you will be 100% satisfied. You will get your photos edited as you asked, or you will not have to pay us. Yes, we are so confident for our services. As for the cost, we offer the most affordable prices in the market, and furthermore we offer decent discounts depending on how large are the projects you assign to us. All you need to do is to contact us and let us know about your projects. So, do not hesitate a second and click the Contact Us button in our website, to close the best possible deal for your projects with us. You will never search for another service once you try ours, and our prices. Just click the Contact Us button. You will be glad you did.